Good day, learners. Today our topic is about difference and two perfect squares factoring. So our hint here for this type of factoring is we are going to factor binomial. So you can see here we have a binomial. All of them are binomials. And then the first term and the second term, they are both perfect squares. And their signs are always negative. If that is positive, there's no factor for that. So before we proceed to our factoring, let's have the perfect squares. Now for the perfect square numbers, we have the square root for that. We have 1. The square root of 1 is 1. 4, square root of 4 is 2. 9 is 3. 16 is 4. 25 is 5. 36 is 6. 49, 7, 64, 8. 81 and 9, 100 is 10, 121 is 11, 144 is 12, 169 is 13, 196 is 14, and 225 is 15. When you multiply these numbers here, it will give you this number here. So you have 10 times 10 is 100, okay, 7 times 7 is 49, 4 times 4 is 16. For the letters, to be a perfect square part, the exponent must be even. If that is not even, that is not a perfect square. So for x squared is x to the 4th, x squared, x to the 8th is 4, x to the 10th is x to the 5th, because x to the 5th times x to the 5th is x to the 10th. Or you divide the exponent by 2 and it will give you the square root of that literal part. So we have binomial here. When we examine it, they are all perfect squares, and the sign of our binomial here, they are all negative. So it's 2 only, it's like this. Our factors will be 1 is positive and the other one is negative. Or you can have negative and positive, but not positive positive or negative negative. So here, let's see our factors. Here we can have negative first and then positive, and they are the same. So here also, so you will see that the signs are opposite, one positive, one negative, and here one is positive, one is negative here. Okay, so start. So plus minus minus plus minus plus, they are the same. Okay, so we take the square root of the a squared, that's a only. So we have a here. A times a is a squared. And then take the square root of the second term, 36. Square root of 36 is 6. So we write here 6. And then we just copy that a plus 6. A here and 6 here. Second one, x squared. Square root is x, because x times x is x squared. Y to the 4th is y to the 2nd, because y to the 2nd times y to the 2nd is y to the 4th. 49, and now 49 is 7 here. And the z to the 8th is z to the 4th. So we have z to the 4th. And then we just copy this one here. So x, y squared, 7z to the 4th. Number 3, we have 25. So square root of 25 is 5. Here. Square root of x squared is x. Here. And then 1 square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 9 is 3. And then we just copy. So 5x. And then put first the fractional bar, so it will be centered here. So that's number 3. And number 4, write the fractional bar first. Square root of 100 is 10. X to the 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3 here. 9, square root of 9 is 3. Y to the 4th square root is y squared. And then we have plus, you want plus first, okay, and then another fractional bar. So 144 square root is 12. 12 times 12 is 144. 169 is 13 here, because 13 times 13 is 169. And then we just close that one in parenthesis, open parenthesis here, and just copy. Then x cubed, and then 3y squared. Because we have already the positive here, the sign here will be negative. And then copy the 12 over 13. And that is how to factor difference in two perfect squares.